everyone, welcome back to Featherstitch House. My name's Rebecca and each week on this channel I upload videos about embroidery and textile art to help you get creative. Now YouTube is only one part of Featherstitch House. We also have an online shop where we sell felt embroidery kits that are suitable for beginners, and so once a month I like to show you inside one of our kits to sort of showcase it and show you what you get if you buy that product. I'll put a link to our shop in the description below. Do go on our website and have a look around and see the kinds of things we offer. We also run workshops, and if you sign up to our newsletter via the website, we'll update you as soon as new dates become available. So if you're near to Lincoln in the UK or fancy travelling to a beautiful historic city, check out the information in the description. Maybe a workshop here is for you. Today we're getting ready for autumn, and I thought you might like to have a look at our best-selling kit ever. It was actually featured in Love Embroidery magazine last year and has gone wild ever since then. We've just recently restocked it and it's one of my absolute favourites. So let's take a look at what's in the box. I wanted to share with you one of my favourite kits and by far our best-selling kit after the felt alphabet, and that's our Autumn Leaf. Now these are some of the prototypes that I made when I was preparing to build the kit, and it just showcases the fact that this is a combination of flat surface embroidery and three-dimensional shapes, and it's the only garland kit that we sell that has this combination in it, so we don't generally put these 3D shapes into our garlands. When we take this kit to shows, everybody has got something to say about the conkers and acorns, and the number of people that just feel the need to touch and squeeze them is amazing. So if you had this on your mantelpiece, this would definitely be a talking point in your house. Now, we've sold out of this kit so many times, we are in our new packaging, so if you were to purchase this kit, this is what you would receive through the post. So the packaging is compostable and is a really good place to store your work in progress. So let's open it up and have a look inside. Just going to move the box out of the way so that I don't make a noise on the microphone. So on top of your kit will be the booklet. So just like all our kits, you get a really detailed set of instructions. So there is a guide for beginner embroiderers. You get full instructions for each component, a stitch guide, stitch instructions and templates, and as always the back of the templates is left plain so that you can cut them straight out of the book. It is a 27-page booklet, so full of information and detail to help you get the best results out of your kit. Then we get our kit bundle. I'm just going to open this one up, and you get a fairly hefty stack of materials inside. Just got an escapee there. So loads of felt in this kit again, because you can make as many leaves really as you want to, and we're always quite generous with felt. We don't want loads of wastage, but we do try really hard to include enough felt for you to really make this kit your own. So if you wanted to change the combinations of colours, there's plenty here for you to play around with. You get a massive piece of this copper colour, and the reason for that is that the leaf that comes up most is the widest leaf, and it's designed to be made out of this copper colour. When you unfold the felt, you'll see all the other materials. So you get some fibre fill. Now this is made out of recycled fibres and is in a compostable cellulose pack. So we try to be as eco-conscious as we possibly can. Then you get 8 full skeins of anchor embroidery thread. This is stranded cotton, and there is more than enough here to make your entire garland and leave plenty left over to make another autumnal design if you want to. So it's a kind of really warm, earthy autumn rainbow. And you can, like I say, vary these colours. The stitch guide is only a guide. You can play around as much as you like. And if you want to stitch your leaves in a different combination of colours, or if you want to focus on one colour more than another or leave a colour out, there are plenty of options here for you. You get 1.5 metres of satin ribbon, and again this is a ribbon made out of recycled fibre. It's enough for a standard mantelpiece. We also give you a hook threader and a size 7 John James embroidery needle, and then you get this lovely selection of earthy autumnal colours. So you get this deep red, a burnt orange, a mustard, an olive green, a tan, and that sort of sandstone beige colour on the top. Some of these are actually wool felt, wool blend felts, because the manufacturer of our eco felt stopped making some of the autumn colours, and so we have found an alternative. So if you are not happy using wool, then you should be aware that this kit does have some wool content, unlike many of our other kits. You also get 2 rings to mount your garland, and these fit really nicely into command decorating hooks, which are the ones that you use to put fairy lights up. I've put them either side of my mantelpiece, and these rings sit really nicely on those, so it's really easy to hang your garland across your mantelpiece if you want to. Now, I should say that some people, particularly in the UK, don't have a mantelpiece, and there are several customers that have used this kit to make an autumn wreath instead of a garland. So if you have got a bit of imagination, the world is your oyster really, and there's probably enough felt to make an additional wreath to go with your garland if you want to. So here's the garland. We've got some gorgeous puffy acorns and conkers. So this is the prototype. You can see this is one we mount at shows, so it's got little Velcro dots on the back. There are some variation in colours in these kits, so this was the prototype that I made, so I did use slightly different colours of felt for some of the components. Don't worry about that because your kit looks really harmonious. We've worked really hard to get a lovely harmonious blend of colours in the kit. So we've got these horse chestnut leaves. They are double-sided, so the idea is that you cut 2 leaf shapes, you stitch one, and you back the leaf with the other, and that way all your stitching isn't on show. And we did that for this kit because the leaf shapes are quite intricate, so they need a little bit of support. Unlike the sunflowers, which are enormous and multi-layered, they have enough rigidity themselves, but these leaves need a little bit of support, which is why we've backed them. We've got a horse chestnut leaf, a willow leaf, that's the green one, an oak leaf, a sycamore or maple leaf, and then the beech leaf, that's inspired by the copper beech from my garden. And then on the centre leaf, we have got some hanging conkers, and that just adds a little bit of movement and a little bit of dangle to your garland as it's mounted on your mantelpiece, and it just looks lovely when it's up. We also sell this kit as a PDF download, so if you have your own felt and threads, there is an instant PDF download available for you, and I will link both the kit and the PDF in the description below. We ship internationally, so it doesn't matter where in the world you are, you can get hold of one of these kits if you like, and if you are based in the UK, postage is included in the price of the kit, so it's free postage in the UK, and we do try to post things out as soon as possible after you've ordered. If you purchase the download, that is instant, so as soon as your purchase goes through, an email will arrive in your inbox to allow you to start stitching almost immediately. Do click on the links below, and while you're in the shop, why not have a mooch around and see some of the other things that we sell. We've got a very wide range of kits. We've also got some free PDF downloads and some patterns for the Winging It project, so do have a look around and see what you think. I'd love to hear from you to see what you think about this garland. So do drop a comment if you like what you see. Do you have a favourite leaf? Have you liked any of the other kits that I've shown you so far in this series? Love to hear your thoughts and feedback. I'm going to cut to some video of me hanging this garland on my mantelpiece, and at the end of the video I will link some videos. If you like this kind of stitch and if you want to have a play with something similar, I'll put a video up here, and I'll link a playlist down here full of inspiration for your embroidery and felt crafting projects. Thanks so much for watching. I'll go and hang up my garland, and I'll see you next time. Bye.